Hello friends, welcome back and I hope you're well. And our today's video's topic is bedroom color scheme ideas. The color scheme of bedroom plays a crucial role in setting the mood, creating a peaceful ambience and reflecting one's personal style. It's a canvas on which you can express your creativity and transform your bedroom into a heaven of tranquility. With a myriad of options available, selecting the perfect color scheme can be both exciting and overwhelming. So, today we'll explore a few inspiring bedroom color schemes ideas to help you create a harmonious and inviting space. The number one is serene neutrals. Neutrals are timeless and versatile, making them a popular choice for bedroom color schemes. Shades of beige, ivory, and soft gray provides a calm and soothing backdrops. These hues creates a serene atmosphere allowing you to unwind and relax after a long day. Enhance the neutral palette with different textures and materials such as cozy bedding, plush rugs and natural wood accents to add depth and visual interest. Number 2 is calming blues. Blue is known for its calming and tranquil qualities, making it an ideal choice for the bedroom. Light shades of blue, such as pastel blues or powdery aquas, can create a refreshing and serene environment. These shades evoke a sense of serenity and can promote a restful sleep. Combined with crisp white accents and natural materials, such as rattan or weekend furniture, to create a coastal inspired retreat. Number 3 is romantic pinks. Soft and muted shades of pink can infuse a bedroom with a romantic and feminine touch. Plush pink, dusty rose, or even a hint of mauve can create a gentle and dreamy atmosphere. Pair these shades with metallic accents such as gold or rose gold for a touch of glamour. Incorporate soft fabrics like velvet or silk in cushions or curtains to add texture and luxury to the space. Number 4 is earthy warmth. If you prefer a cozy and grounding atmosphere, consider an earthy color scheme. Shades of warm browns, deep terracottas, and burnt oranges can create a sense of warmth and comfort. These colors are reminiscent of nature and can bring a rustic and bohemian vibe to your bedroom. Incorporate natural elements like wooden furniture, woven baskets, and leafy plants to enhance the earthy aesthetics. Number 5 is timeless grays. Gray has emerged as a popular choice for modern bedroom color schemes due to its versatility and ability to create a clean, sophisticated look. From light silvers to charcoal grays, this color can serve as a natural backdrop and as a statement hue depending on your preference. Pair gray with pops of vibrant colors like yellow or teal for a contemporary and energetic feel, or combine it with soft pastels for a more subtle serene ambience. Experiment with samples and swatches before committing to a particular scheme, and don't be afraid to infuse your personal style and preferences into design. So this is all about today's video. I hope so you like it.